Sorry, madam.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to all the parents and students who have logged into this session, especially in the context of knowing about the branch prospects related to information and technology from VNRVJIET, that is Vallurpalli Nageshwara Vignan Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology. So today we have a team of experts, which includes our head of the department and also our placements coordinator, and as well as an academic expert also on trainings expert. So apart from the people who are joining from the industry also to give you insights about this particular branch of engineering, that is information and technology. So I ask the parents and students who have logged in to first hear out the session, and we'll take all the queries towards the end of the session. So,
Okay.
Anshu Kumar, whoever has raised his hand, I'm just trying to tell you only. We'll take all the questions, all the interactions will be towards the end of the session. I'm Dr. Kanti Sudha, admissions coordinator. So, we are conducting all these sessions for various branches of engineering, and we have been sending the links across to all our inquirers who have inquired with us. So, all the recorded sessions will be again available on our YouTube channel also. So, you can refer to them at a later point also. Okay, or you can forward it to all your friends and others also, those who are interested in knowing about information and technology. So over to you, Sushmita.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Yeah, I'm Shushmita from IT department, and I'm working from the last 10 years. I'm the IT admission coordinator. Welcome everyone to IT panel discussion, which is a part of series of panel discussions regarding engineering education charting the right career choice. I will introduce the panel members who will provide prospects of information technology department. Firstly, Dr. D. Srinivas Rao sir, who is the doctorate and head of the IT department, who is the guest editor, reviewer, program chair, technical committee member for different conferences. He is one of the member for the Board of Studies for emerging courses at JNTU Kakinada. He completed many sponsored projects and is an expert to deliver invited talks for the mezzanine technologies such as AI and machine learning. He has already having 2 years of research fellowship at the University of Udine, Italy. I'm delighted to welcome you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Mr. I. Pavan Kumar, sir, is the assistant professor in the department and has 11 years of teaching and research experience. He is pursuing PhD in the domain of machine learning, is mentoring and helping out students for training and placements since last 8 years. Welcome to the panel discussion, sir.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much.
And now, Mr. S. Murli Mohan, sir, who is the assistant professor in the department and has 16 years of software industry experience and 19 years of teaching experience. Is a training and placement coordinator at the institute level, and as a part of it, conducts many training programs on coding skills and industry needed technologies. Is a faculty coordinator for ACM student chapter also. Welcome to the panel discussion, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. And now Varshita Mudasani, she's an alumni and currently pursuing postgraduate diploma, that is MBA in Human Resource Management from XLRI Jamshedpur. As a part of it, she is currently interning at Ola in HR operations. Previously, she worked as a business analyst at the Deloitte. And in the college, she is event and PR team member and also ACM student chapter member also. She also voluntarily participated in NSS, that is National Service Scheme. Glad to have you here, Varshita.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
And coming to A. Dushyant, he is also alumni of the department. He is a system engineer at the TCS for LSEG project as software developer. He is a volunteer of NSS in the college, and I am glad to inform that he is the gold medalist for the excellence in academic performance in the boys IT category. And he also won many chess championships. I'm delighted to have you here, Dushyant.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So we'll start with the questions so that the parents can get the required information. I do like to ask HOD sir that what is the core strength of IT branch? How is the curriculum structure framed to ensure that IT students stand on par with the other evolving branches with respect to job opportunities? Sir, can you
Yeah,
please answer it?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, good afternoon to you all once again. My response to the query raised by Sushmita ma'am is that the main strength of the IT department is the department incepted in 1997, and the average experience of the faculty is about 10 years. Out of 43 total strength of IT department, 17 members are PhD faculty, 19 members are pursuing, and 5 members are yet to join. Department of IT having the highest number of citations for the faculty publications. What you have done at indexed journals and conferences too. Apart from that, based on the industry needs, the faculty are upgraded with the certification courses completed from IIIT, IIT, from other global platforms like Coursera, Applied AI, EduPrint, and these are the things on which the faculty are able to improve their teaching learning as well as the skills which are required to deliver the content in emerging courses. As this is the connectivity we are having with the department, and we do have the frequent interactions with the people working for the industries as well as the faculty who are working at premier institutions like IITs and IIIT as well as NIT, the faculty from all these premier institutions to visit our department in order to deliver the invited talks, in order to take the project Viva for our final year students. And they are all the part of our board of studies, that is the platform where we need to prepare the course structure as well as the syllabus based on the industry requirements. So, uh, the average experience of the faculty, expectation of the faculty, and the faculty are able to associate with the students in order to have the classroom delivery as well as uh, mentoring them in all the aspects. And also, students are the part of executing the faculty research domains, and faculty will have the collaborative research works and as well as publications and patents with the name of the students and other experts from premier institutions. Based on recognition of our efforts, we do recognize it with many aspects, and Department of IT also having the high-end computing, which is taken from MODRAP scheme, which are taken from seed fund scheme, and which we procured under the sponsored projects. The department having the GPUs, which enables the faculty as well as the students to execute their academic as well as research works in order to obtain the results on the specified time, and having the close association among the students and with the other experts from the industries and the faculty from premier institutions help us to be having the inline connectivity with the emerging courses. That is the main strength. And in order to prepare the course structure and the syllabus, we do have frequent interactions with the industry people as well as the references of JNTUH, references of NIT, references of IIT course structure will be with us. And we also follow the guidelines framed by the AICTE, that is the ultimate boss for all the engineering colleges, to guide us and to prepare the best course structure and the syllabus, which helps us to deliver the required content to the student to be placed in the global platform. I hope that I answered to your query, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for providing insights of academic structure and strength of IT faculty, which builds IT students to stand apart. And now I'd like to ask S. Murli Mohan, sir. Sir, can you elaborate on how IT students are being geared up to be industry ready?
Okay, thank you, Sushmita. Yeah. In addition to academics, students will make it ready as per the industry requirements. So we have the information from different industries across IT sector and core sector. So we'll take inputs from the industry, and based on that, we will plan training courses starting from first year, second semester onwards. So second year, third year, and first year, second semester onwards, these courses will start. By end of 3 2, students are ready with the at least 2 to 3 uh, skills on top of academics. Those skills are required for the industry ready. So once the student joined in industry, they are able to do projects directly. So that's the advantage plus point for the VNR students. So even industry people have given the feedback. So they are able to directly work on the given projects. So with the help of these training courses and skill development courses, students are capable in getting good placements, especially in product companies and service-based companies. So in that way, in addition to these skill programs, we have the mini projects, major projects, and course-based projects. These are all helpful for the students in getting the good placements. So these skills are helpful. Whatever the knowledge they acquired, either through academics and skill development programs, they are able to do projects within the institute. So by end of the 3 years course, that means by end of 3 2, they are able to do at least 3 to 4 projects in different areas like cloud technologies, web technologies, cyber security in different areas. These are all areas required for the current industry. In that way, students are capable in getting the placements. Thank you, Sushmita.
Uh, Thank you, sir, for providing information on how IT is lightening the path to knowledge with the trainings provided to students. And now I will ask Varshita, who is a alumni, previously done in business technology as analyst and now in MBA in XLR. So related to that only, I will ask the question. As a business technology analyst, can you comment on the job requirements of IT industries in general? And also what led you to choose MBA?
Yeah, ma'am, sure. So, first, as a business technology analyst, I worked at Deloitte. So, I see that IT industry as a dynamic ecosystem, constantly shaped by technological innovations and market demands. So, if I talk about the several key areas that are driving significant change and opportunity today, firstly, it would be cloud computing. It continues to be a game changer, enabling organizations to scale their operations rapidly while also optimizing the costs. The ability to navigate cloud platforms is increasingly vital for any business to stay competitive. Secondly, data analytics and AI. They are revolutionizing the decision making processes across industries. And having proficiency in data analysis tools and AI algorithms is very much essential for extracting actionable insights and driving strategic initiatives. The next would be cybersecurity, which is always a top priority for businesses, especially with the rise in the cyber threats. Skills in threat detection, vulnerability assessment are very critical for safeguarding data and maintaining the customer trust. And all these emerging technologies and IoT and blockchain are reshaping business models and processes, which are offering very much of new opportunities for innovation for the companies and also efficiency gains. In terms of job requirements, if I talk, IT industries are seeking candidates with a blend of technical expertise and business acumen. Strong communication, problem solving, and collaboration skills are also very much highly valued as IT projects often involve cross functional teams and stakeholders. So, staying up to date with the industry trends, continuously enhancing technical skills, and also having certifications relevant to the technologies or domains can definitely enhance your credentials and marketability. And I feel that VNRVJIET and specifically the IT department helps you in all these cases because it teaches some of the trending technologies as a part of their curriculum, like IoT or AI, blockchain, and all. And also, they offer you certification courses with which you can actually improve yourself. And when asked about my driving factors from my time at VNR that led me to pursue an MBA, several aspects come into mind actually. So, firstly, my study in IT at VNR provided me with a solid foundation of in technical skills, and along with that a few management subjects too, like organizational behavior, principle of management, or personality development. So all of these along with the technical subjects made me think and know about two major aspects of any organization, the technical aspects and the business aspects. So this sparked my interest in pursuing an MBA to broaden my skill set and enhance my career prospects. Secondly, the exposure to diverse perspectives and experiences at VNR played a significant role. At VNR, you have the space and ability to have an overall growth. You have your studies, your co curricular activities, extracurricular activities, which shape you in the best version of yours and lets you explore what interests you, where you might suit well, and what may be a further career path. So already, as ma'am said, I was a part of ACM VNRVJIET. It was subsidiary of ACM International. So in this student chapter, I was the membership chair. So that experience in this chapter taught me a lot of things: how you manage a team, how you select the people you want to work with, be it your juniors or even your contemporaries, and also the professors at Vienna VJIT give you the space so that you can take your own decisions on how you manage your chapter. So it will give you an individuality, and also it will really help you think and explore what might be the best for you and your team. So all these things really shaped my profile in such a way that it was very easy for me to transition from a technical role to my management studies. And one last thing I want to tell to anyone who is joining IT department of Vienna VJIT or even thinking of joining, this will be a decision you will be proud in the later stages of your life, and you will also enjoy your 4 years in this college. But this doesn't definitely mean you won't have any hardships. But Vienna VJIT will give you the strength and tenacity to hold on to your dreams and also fulfill them. So I wish you all the best and hope you join this.
Thank you, Arshita.
Thank you.
It is a very pleasure to know all your experiences about the business analyst role, as well as your journey to MBA, as well as in the college, how you have done. Thank you, Arshita. And now, Dushyant, I want to ask you that can you briefly tell us about your job role and what is the contribution from the IT department of VNR in your job? Dushyant?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dushyant. Is my voice audible?
Yes, Dushyant.
Yes.
Murlimon sir,
Good
I think you
afternoon.
should mute your mic.
Little bit louder, Dushyant.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, I am Dushyant, and I am currently working as C# developer at TCS in collaboration with LSCG. So, my journey into this world of software development has been both exciting and rewarding, significantly, which is shaped by my academic background and the experience I gained at VNRVJIT of IT department. So, my role here is in the office is that involves a variety of challenging and exciting responsibilities like. I work in the domain of ADC, which is in which we will be writing a clean and efficient code to develop new features and ensure applications which run smoothly, and debugging issues, and also performing some of updates and maintaining the overall quality of software. That is pretty much about my job role. And I work with a fantastic team of developers, testers, and business analysts, and also I'll be participating in various agile ceremonies and also communicating with various stakeholders to understand and fulfill the requirements. So this is my job role. So looking back, how VNR IT department was helped me is that like my journey began at VNR, where I pursued my BTech in IT. Solid foundation I received from there, and IT curriculum which is well organized at VNR, which helped me in deep understanding of computer science principles and also core knowledge of it. And also coming to my programming languages, C, C++, or Java, all these things help me in doing my job. And also, I have learned various data structures, algorithms, software engineering, and coming to labs, which gives me a hands-on experience, which I gained from labs, and also in doing real-world challenges. And the exposure to industrial practices was VNR is also a great thing, like participating in various workshops, seminars, and which are organized by both IT department and the college, gave me insights about the latest technological trends and industry standards. And coming to projects which I have done, like minor and major projects, also helped me in understanding how a real world problem will be there and how I should tackle it, and which is crucial in my current role. So coming to other things, like for example soft skills, at VNR also played me a significant role in my professional growth, like through various activities, including in our labs, English labs, and which enhanced my communication abilities and learned to work efficiently as a team and building team bonding. All these things which helped me from VNR college. And coming to the placement, like everyone has supported me as which is a great thing. The guidance and opportunities provided by placement cell help me secure a great position in TCS, like training sessions and also interview skills, resume building, and aptitude tests. Is a great thing, particularly beneficial in preparing me for the job market. So finally, I want to conclude that, like, my journey from campus to corporate was a blend of rigorous academic training and practical experiences. Like the knowledge and skills I acquired at VNR has been a bedrock of my success in C Sharp as a C Sharp developer. So I'm grateful for the education support I received from the college, which have empowered me to thrive in my career and contribute effectively to my team. So TCS, I'll say that. So that's it. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Rishant, for expressing your passion as developer and to share the best things that happened to you in the department. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now I want to ask Pawan Kumar sir regarding the placements, that how are the job prospects related to IT brand, sir? And can I know the
I have a question,
range?
ma'am.
Yeah, okay, yeah, sir, Pawan sir, can I know the range of pay packages offered to the IT branch in VNR?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, from the past few years, the job prospects for IT students are quite promising. It entirely depends on their interest and skill set. And when it comes to our students, our IT graduates from VNRVJIET, they have been offered roles like software engineer, software developers, network administrators, network engineers. They have been working as system analysts, and they have been working as a database administrator, and they are cyber security analyst. And apart from that, previously mentioned, they're also working as IT consultants, web developers, and DevOps engineers. And few of our students are working at Amazon as a program analyst, cloud support engineers, and data engineers. And there have been system developers, software development engineers, and there are also mobile application developers, UX or UI designers, and they're working as a quality analyst engineers. And if you look at now, Varshita and Dushant have joined, they're themselves working as a system engineer and business analyst roles. So it entirely depends on the skill set. And of course, if they want to pursue their career in these job prospects, they have to update themselves with their latest tech stuff. And of course, in line with these rules, department is providing all the trainings to make them industry ready. And when it comes to the range of packages, if we look at over last 3 years, the packages are ranging from highest package offered to our student is 44 lakhs per annum by Amazon for software development engineer role, and lowest package 3.36 for TCS Ninja role. And of course, most of the students are getting placed with a package of 10 lakhs, 11 lakhs, 12 lakhs, and 21 lakhs by FI Networks and 11 lakhs by Chubb Limited. And there are various range of packages were offered. And the average package over last 3 years is we are just continuously maintaining about 8.5 lakhs per annum. So this is about the job prospects and range of packages.
Okay, thank you, Pawan sir, for giving statistics of placement information, which is the steering to be the best, though we have challenges outside now.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now,
Ma'am, I have a question.
okay. Yeah, you can, 1 minute, sir. Now you can unmute and ask one by one any enquiries. You can unmute and ask.
Ma'am, can you speak me?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, Anshu Kumar. Yeah.
Ma'am, how can I student manage a civil branch and its minor branch is IT? A student in feel pressure.
Dharmavardhan sir, can you mute yourself so that we can hear out the question of the other participant? Yes, Anshu, please put your question properly. You're asking something about civil
मेरी
branch. I didn't
मेरी
get
आवाज
it.
आ रही है मैम? आवाज आ रही है मैम?
हाँ, आवाज आ रही है। अगर आप हिंदी में बात करना चाहते हैं तो हिंदी में बात कीजिए, हम बोल सकते हैं।
हाँ मैम, ये मैं कह रहा हूँ कि एक सिविल इंजीनियर को जिसमें इंटरेस्ट है सिविल में और वो माइनर या मेजर माइनर सब्जेक्ट में वो आईटी रखता है, तो फिर वो दो दो सब्जेक्ट को कैसे मेंटेन करके चलेगा, दो दो ब्रांच को?
हाँ, माइनर डिग्री मतलब क्या है कि आप इंजीनियरिंग क्या है कि 4 साल का डिग्री है, आई मीन ओके, तो आपको थर्ड ईयर ऑनवर्ड्स यू विल हैव टू टेक अ सब्जेक्ट व्हिच इज रिलेटेड टू आईटी। लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल ये आईटी ब्रांच कुछ माइनर डिग्री के कुछ ऑफर कर रही है, तो वो सब्जेक्ट अगर आप लेना चाहते हैं तो आप थर्ड ईयर से ले सकते हैं। एंड इस माइनर डिग्री के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, हर एक सेमेस्टर में यू विल हैव टू डू एक एक्स्ट्रा या 2 एक्स्ट्रा सब्जेक्ट्स लेना पड़ेगा आपको। फर्स्ट 2 साल में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं रहेगा, तीसरे साल में आपको एक्स्ट्रा सब्जेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। हर एक सेमेस्टर को 1 या 2 सब्जेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, जिनको हमारा टीचिंग फैकल्टी बताएंगे आपको। आपको थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस लेना पड़ेगा और उसके हिसाब से अगर आप पूरा खत्म कर सकते हैं, आई मीन वो सब्जेक्ट का एग्जाम भी दे सकते हो और पास कर सकते हो, तब आपके फाइनल डिग्री में जो चाहिए आपको, उसमें आपको ऐसा आएगा कि बीटेक इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग विथ माइनर्स इन आप जो भी करना चाहते हैं। अगर आप आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस करना चाहते हैं, आप साइबर सिक्योरिटी करना चाहते हैं या डेटा साइंस करना चाहते हैं, कोई भी, हमारा यहाँ वी हैव 5 माइनर डिग्रीज है हमारे पास, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड मशीन लर्निंग, डेटा साइंस, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, ओके, एंड इन इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड इनोवेशन एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। सो इसमें कोई भी नॉन आईटी ब्रांचेस लाइक एग्जांपल कोर ब्रांचेस, ट्रिपली, मैकेनिकल, सिविल, ऑटोमोबाइल, ये सब लोग ये माइनर्स कर सकते हैं। अभी आईटी का ब्रांच का पैनल डिस्कशन चल रहा है, तो आपको कुछ डाउट आईटी के बारे में है तो पूछिए अभी, ओके? क्लियर है
नो
अंशु?
मैम, डाउट क्लियर हो गया।
हाँ, धर्मवर्धन सर, यू कैन पुट फोर्थ योर क्वेश्चन।
Sorry, ma'am, it was I was not having any question.
Okay, okay, you just done. Okay. So Raghu Kiran, yeah, please Raghu Kiran, put forth your
Yeah,
question.
yeah. Hi, madam. Raghu here. I have a couple of questions, ma'am. The first one is how IT is different to CSE core, and I mean, what is the main difference between these two? Why students are choosing CSE core than IT? I mean, what is the reason for that? And second question is, when it comes to the placements, will there be any difference for the companies in choosing the students between CSE core or CSE specialization or IT, or they treat everybody as the same? So can you clarify these questions, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I think partially I'll do it later. I think Srinivas Rao sir also can address the doubt. The thing is that here you have asked 2 questions. One second. Once again, I'll try to repeat the question for the others, those who are listening also. The sir was asking why CSE core branch. Why CSE core branch? Many are preferring. See, this is just like the demand actually. So most of the people feel that there is a demand for core CSE, or it's just like a herd mentality where everyone is going towards one branch and all the others are following it, as per me, because they don't have the awareness about the other branches and the potential related to these branches. Second thing is, whenever companies come for recruitment, these days branch is not the main key point which they look into. They look at the overall potential of the candidate. The recruitment process has changed in such a way that they are more interested in the student and how he has evolved over a 4-year span by improving or updating his skills apart from his regular academic curriculum. So this is what they look into. And IT and CSE, there is no differentiation with respect to the companies who are visiting for placements. I do hope our placements coordinator also will agree on that. And I think Srinivas,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
yeah, Pawan. The highest packages are scored even by the IT students also, as he was mentioning the highest packages, and most consistently they have been maintaining an average CTC for their branch students. So it really speaks about the placement record which they carry on par with any of the CSE or allied courses also. Okay, and coming to what is the difference between CSE and IT, I think Srinivasrao sir will be better in answering this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First answer is that CSE, IT, and both are same. With respect to the CSE, there is a maximum ceiling for the admissions will be granted by the university on that AICTE. After that, we can't increase the seats into different. So they have opened the new specialization called information technology. Overall, there are four subjects that makes the difference between CSE and IT with respect to the regulations we followed so far, titled R18, R19. Now we are with R22. That only there are subjects which makes the difference, but the inputs which we have to receive to prepare the course structure and curriculum is to taking the inputs are from the industry people as well as from the premier institutions, and the employer and the students are studying at the masters at foreign states, and there are different sources through which we are receiving the inputs. Based on the inputs we have taken, we need to prepare the course structure and the syllabus which should be helpful to the students to get the better placement in the world. To show the difference between CSE and IT, we are coming with the subjects which are related to the security as well as the application development. That's all. To show the difference. Otherwise, by naming CSE and IT, everything goes on 100% replica. There is no interpretation and there is no acceptable answer from us. Just to show the difference, those four subjects we differentiated. Though the emerging courses are coming, are incepted in 2020 or 2021, in R15 and R18 regulations itself, like incepted in 2015 and 2018, we came with all these emerging courses titled Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, Data Science, Cyber Security. As we do have frequent interactions with the people working for the MNCs and the premier institutions. So these discussions helped us to know what is the market demand, and based on the demand, how do we ready, how to prepare the curriculum, the syllabus, that is the primary component which should be executed for the student throughout the 4-year stay. Along that, we need to have the extra inputs through which the student packages and learning capabilities will be increased. That is the only difference. But what is the company calling the CSE students for the recruitment will definitely calls the IT students as well. So far, there is no experience of differentiating these two while calling for the drive. I hope that answered your query.
Yeah. Next, I think Rajesh Banushali. So you wanted to ask some question.
Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Myself Rajesh from Muscat, Oman.
Okay.
I would like to seek admission for my daughter in CSE under CIWG quota, which falls under NRI. I would like to know what's the number of seats allocated stream-wise in CSE under CIWG quota.
Sir, actually, it is 15% of seats which are earmarked for the foreign nationals, and in that, actually, there is only 5% quota for CIWG.
Yeah.
Okay. So out of 36 seats, it is 15% of seats which you get through your which is 5% seats which you get. Okay. And I suggest you please talk to the foreign admissions coordinator or contact to mail through international admissions at VNRVJIET.in. I'll drop it in the chat box. Please try to contact them. They'll give you a clear picture on this. So let us not deviate from the context. We are talking about IT branch. So anyone who wants to ask questions related to this branch, please put forth your questions. Shailaja ma'am, can you unmute and ask your question?
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, regarding this JEE mains rank category, my child, whether she will be placed in your college according to the rank? I just wanted to know because she has acquired 2,56,514 rank in G mains. So are you recruiting? Are you taking the candidates of JE mains category B category?
Ma'am, the thing is that we follow the same cutoffs which JE or JOSA follows for the advanced. So, which is 93 percentile is the cutoff, and definitely 93 percentile cutoff only corresponds to rank which is below 1 lakh. So, your daughter has not qualified in that sense, so she can't get through B category. So, you will
Okay.
have to apply through the management quota or the sponsored category only, because through
Okay.
JE she will not have
Regarding
any
this,
chance.
no chances. Oh, regarding this OBC NCL rank,
No,
madam.
no, no. We
Uh,
follow only the open rank category. Open
okay.
rank merit only we see. No OBC
Okay.
or any other category reservation.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, Santosh Pulipaka, you want to ask something?
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah.
This is Santosh here. Ma'am, I would like to know, earlier, in the conversation, sir has told, there is a good amount of recruitment happened even in last year. So, what kind of student ratio to placement ratio? Let's say, in a class of 100, how many people have got into the recruitment?
Yeah. Pawan sir, you can answer this.
Yes, ma'am. So in the last year, 2024 passed out batch, we have total of 177 eligible students. And so far, till today, we have 120 students was placed, and still placement process going on for them. And probably by end of the June month, all the eligible students will get placed.
Oh, this is from IT only, right?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is from only IT branch. I'm talking about only IT
Oh,
branch. Yeah.
that's great. That's great. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sharanya, can you unmute and ask your question? Sharanya, yeah. Please ask your question.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, through JE mains, can we get ECE, ma'am?
What's your overall CRL rank actually?
1,61,071, ma'am.
No, no, no. That's not possible because we follow stringent cutoffs as per the JE advanced only. So as per the JE advanced, 93 percentile is the cutoff which we follow actually.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, all those who have JE ranks and you think that you don't fall into that category also, you can apply. If any seats are vacant at the end point, we'll probably look into those people also, provided you have some good MSET rank. Okay. So after JE rank, the next criteria will be TS EPSET rank, sorry, TS EPSET rank. So if you have a good EPSET rank also, that will be taken into consideration in B category, provided we exhaust all the rankers, whoever are available to us in the qualified bracket actually. Okay. So it doesn't restrict you from not applying, but you can apply. But the only thing is this will be the criteria which will be considered actually.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Raghu here.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I have one question. When during placements, is there any CGPA, minimum CGPA that students has to score for sitting for the placements?
Sir,
Yes, yes.
Pawan sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, definitely there will be a minimum cutoff of 65% student has to score without any active backlogs at the time of recruitment. So that is the minimum criteria most of the companies are putting for recruitment. So minimum 65 percentage is to be maintained throughout the academics and without any backlogs.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have one more question, sir. My daughter, she has written JEE mains also and MSET both. I mean, in JEE mains, she got 93.7 some around that percentile, and
okay.
her rank is 97,000 rank. And in MSET, she got 3,400 rank. So for when I go counseling, can I choose which should I go for annular quota or a category B, or can I go for both? Can you please clarify?
Sir, you can go for both category A, category B also. Okay. So category B also you apply. Category A, anyway, through counseling, you will get to know based on the last year ranks. So you have the data of last year ranks published on our website, and I think Srinivas Rao sir has already put it in the chat box also. So you can go through that also. So based on that, you can see whether you fall into, I mean, which branch you can get based on your MSET rank. So if you think that you can't get through counseling, you can also put an application through category B. So then probably will be able to tell you, or you will have chances. Even if category B is there is any chance also, you might have a chance because you have a good MSET rank.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Oh, ma'am, since
So the
since my daughter is also a OCA card holder, but she has written MSET also, right? So she can apply as a normal local student, right?
yeah, you can do it. You can do it. The only thing is you will be coming under non-local quota if she has done all her education abroad, or if she has done everything in India, then it's not a problem at all. She can go through, I mean, she can come through any of these categories. That is category A, counseling, category B through JE, or either through your foreign quota also.
Okay, she has studied last 10 years in Hyderabad only, ma'am. So I think local
Okay,
quota,
then
I
no
think,
problem.
right?
Then she can come through counseling also. You can try your hand in all the
She-
categories. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. It will be like normal local quota.
Yeah. They generally look at 7 years of consecutive study. So if she has it, I think she'll be
Okay.
considered local. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
VNRVJIT स्कॉलरशिप देती है क्या अलग से?
Yeah. Anyone else who would like to ask any questions related to this?
VNRVJIT स्कॉलरशिप देती है अलग से?
No. There is no scholarship separately for VNR VJIT. Only government scholarships, whatever you have, you can get it if you fall into that category of economically weaker section. Yeah, Aarti, yeah, you can put forth your question.
Madam, actually, this is Arti's parent.
Yes, sir. Please tell me.
What are those 4 subjects that are different between CSC and IT, ma'am?
Sir, can you please go through the syllabus? I've given you the link in the chat box already. So if you're really interested in knowing what are the different subjects, you can also go through the syllabus of both CSE and IT together. Both are available on that link, whatever I've given you.
Okay.
Sir,
Ma'am, are there any companies that...
core subjects are same. The only difference we are showing at elective level only. Core subjects are common to CSE and IT. Only elective level, there are 4 subjects which are different. We are going in the way of called security and application development. They will do with the extension to the coding department and implementation strategy. That's all.
Sir, are there any companies that exclusively look for IT students?
There is no company for exclusively for IT. It is there for CSE and IT.
Okay.
Syllabus is actually available on our website. I've given it in the chat box already. So someone from the IT department, can you just post the link again?
Sure.
I think I have an issue with my power net, so I'm just logged in through my
Okay, ma'am.
mobile.
I did it.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Category B notification, when can we expect, ma'am?
Sir, MSET schedules have just officially they are yet to come. So once they have come, we'll give it. I mean, the category B schedules also will be tentatively coming.
Okay, thank you.
So anything else which the parents or the students want to ask? I suggest you take the experts' advice rather than asking on the admissions process. Okay. Yeah, Suhas, please put forth your question.
So I would like to know about the management quota. Is there any management quota here?
Yeah, there will be a management quota, which is 15% of the seats. It will be based on the 11th and 12th aggregate marks, which you score. So there will be an application process which we'll be putting up on the website very shortly. So it's a complete online process. You can apply through that.
Okay, and what's the fee structure for it?
Fee structure for sponsored quota or management quota, it is $5,000 per year, which comes around 4,20,000 per year.
Okay.
Okay. The regular fee is 1,35,000 per year, both for counseling who are coming through MSET or for the category B who are coming through JE rank.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, one
Ma'am,
question.
do these CBSE students have any extra weightage, ma'am?
No, sir. Oh, no, sir. We look at them with on par with the state level students only.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, one more question. Can you tell me about on the internships, ma'am? How is the internship in VNRVJIET?
Yeah. Srinivas, sir? You would
Yeah.
like to answer this?
Yeah. There are two aspects, sir. One is the company for which the student got selected are providing the internship. Suppose the APMC is there, they are coming for the internship purpose in 2 itself. And one student got selected for JPMC, they are offering the internship either in 3-2 or 4-1 onwards. Second way is that there are some companies who are connected with the department, or the students are able to identify the companies at which they wanted to do their internships, and we are providing the permission with all the requirements and recommendations.
Yes, sir. Yeah, Purushottam Reddy, sir.
Okay. Yeah, madam. Actually, my question here is: suppose student is going to take admission in electronics, are they going to attend the same placement along with the CSC, or they have a separate placement?
No. All the branches are treated on par, as I told you. So most of the companies, they don't differentiate between the branches. So all the students will be eligible, except unless the company specifies that we want only this branch of students, which very rarely happens.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So basically, whenever we are going for the placement, we are sending all our students along with.
Yes, all our students based on their CGPA cutoffs, which the company mentions.
Okay, thank you.
In NRI sponsored quota also, you will check EPSET rank. We probably will check it only at the point where there is a contention by more candidates vying for the same branch. For example, above 95, if we last year we had almost close to 180 or 150 students. So we had to filter out them in some way or the other. So their MSET was taken as the criteria to shortlist the students, especially for this branches. Yeah, Sirisila,
Madam?
please. Sirisila, sir, let us give chance to all, please.
Okay.
Sirisila Abhinay, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to ask you, when will the online form will start, ma'am? I want in
See,
CSC
please keep
branch.
following our website regularly. We are waiting for the government guidelines. Once the GO is released, we'll be opening the application. So it's not in our hands. We have to follow the government guidelines. So once the government order is in place, we'll release the application.
So I wanted the CSC seat, ma'am, in management quota.
Sir, that's
So,
what I'm saying. This is not the portal or this is not the platform to discuss on this. We are talking about IT branch. If you have anything related to IT branch, please put forth your question.
okay.
Yes, Purushottam Reddy, sir, please.
Madam, my question here is for 2024 batch from the IT department, how many placements we have received from VNR?
2024 placement period is not yet done, sir.
120. So far 120, sir, out of 177. It's going on. There are some
It's
some
still in
companies
process actually.
120 out of 157, sir?
177.
177. Okay, thank you.
So anything else which the parents would like to ask? I suggest you ask anything related to information and technology. So all the other branches panel discussions also will come up shortly. So today afternoon we have electronics and instrumentation panel discussion at 4 o'clock. So you can join that also. And the remaining branches also are all scheduled in the coming next week. So you can follow each and every branch and probably take a decision based on that. So thank you, Srinivas sir. Thanks for the team from IT department, and thanks to Pavan sir, Murli Mohan sir, and also the external experts who have joined and their alumni who have given a lot of insights into this particular branch of engineering, that is information and technology. So it's really a great help to all the parents and students. We have been constantly getting the feedback from these parents and students that they have got a lot of insights hearing out to such kind of panel discussions. And I do thank Sushmita and the team, Renu Deepthi also, who have been instrumental in conducting this panel discussion. So thanks to one and all for parents and students who have logged into this session. So it's part of a series of discussions which we are doing for all the branches of engineering which are there in VNR VJIT. We just want you to take a knowledgeable decision in choosing your branch. So that's the only reason why we are doing all these panel discussions. So the recording of this session will be available on our YouTube channel very shortly. Probably by Monday, we'll be giving you this link also again in the mails. So you can view it again, or you can also forward it to your friends and family who might be interested in looking IT as a potential branch. So thank you all. Thanks for the team who have helped in conducting this panel discussion very smoothly. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for clarifying all the inquiries. And I convey my regards to all the team members for conducting this and solving all the inquiries, doubts regarding the admission of IT, how the process, as well as the regarding information of the placements and everything. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, one and all.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.